Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S21 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to take the screenshot. Okay, so it's very easy guys. You have to see this volume down button and power button. Okay, so these two buttons you have to press them together in order to take the screenshot, and I will show you. So you can see over here the volume down button and power button, you have to press them together. Okay, so I press them together and now you can see the screenshot has been taken, and on the downside you see the editing option. Okay, so for example I select this screen and then I will take the screenshot. Okay, so volume down button and power button, and then downside you see the editing option. Just select it and here you can edit, you can change the size. Okay, so you can see over here you can change the size. You can also write on the screen, you are able to write it down. So there are pens option over here. You can see there are different pens over here. Okay, so and then you have a different thickness option. You see there is a different thickness of the pen, so these options. And then on the downside you have colors option, so you can select any color. There are multiple colors. You can also customize your own color, so you can see over here. So then you can simply write anything on the screen. Okay, if you want to write. Okay, so for example I select this color and then you can see over here I'm drawing on the screen. Okay, and if you want to erase it you can also erase by using the eraser. Okay, so you can see over here I erase it. Then you have the undo option, then you have the redo option as well, and then we have the sharing option. You can see this sharing icon, and here you have multiple platforms that you can share your screenshot with. For example, you want to send by Gmail, by messages, so by LinkedIn. So there are a lot of options you can select to share your screenshot. The last option is about download, so you can also download, you can save your edited screenshot. Okay, so it's very simple. Just press the volume down button and power button together and you can easily take the screenshot. So you can see over here, and then on the downside you have editing options. Okay, so you can change the size, you can also write it down. For example, you can draw as well, and if you want to erase you can also erase it. And if you want to use the undo option you can also do it. You can change the size, you can see over here. You can minimize the size. Okay, so there are a lot of options that you can utilize to edit your screenshot. So you can see over here there is a sharing option, so you can share with the Gmail, messages, and all these options. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.